Oh, hey there. So I got a new vlogging setup. What do you think? What's up, everybody? Hope you're doing well. Trent, Granger here, missionary to Mexico. For the past couple weeks, I put out a couple vlogs about Easter, about Dia del Niño, some ministry vlogs that have been pretty intense, and I've really enjoyed doing them. Today, we're going to the market. We've kind of changed it up a little bit. Walmart's kind of been increasing their prices on their foods, so we're going to switch back going to the market to save us some money. So I'm going to take you guys along. All right, let's head to the market. All right, here we are in the market. It's not as busy on Fridays as it is on Saturdays, but we're still gonna get our fruits and veggies here, and because they're scrumptious and fresh as all get out. So Steph's at Walmart and Hannah's helping her going grocery shopping, but I wanted to share with y'all real quick what we're going over on Sundays in our church. I'm super excited. We're going over the fruit of the Spirit and how the fruit of the Spirit is one thing consisted of multiple things. It's so interesting. We've already gone over love, we've gone over peace, and joy. So this Sunday we're going over patience, so we're super excited about that. I'm gonna go tell you some more about it. So we're doing this series right now in the fruit of the Spirit, and I want you to notice what it says here, Galatians 5:22. But the fruit of the Spirit is, the fruit of the Spirit is. So many people get caught up, oh, I need to work on patience, oh, I need to work on love, or I need to work on temperance, or whatever you need to work on, because many people look at it as the fruits of the Spirit, more than one fruit, as if they're trying to grow this fruit in their life, and that fruit in their life, and this fruit in their life. But that's not what the Bible says. The Bible says it is the fruit of the Spirit. So many people want to work on the fruits of the Spirit when there's only really one thing they have to be focused on, and as a result will naturally produce all of these characteristics of this fruit. In John chapter 15, it talks about the fruit, it talks about the branches and the vine. The only way for a tree, for a branch to produce fruit, is if it is connected to the tree. So if we, the branches, will be connected to the tree, Jesus Christ, then naturally we will produce the fruit of the Spirit, which is love, joy, peace, etc. Those things will just become a natural thing for us to produce. So what do we have to do? Have a relationship with Jesus Christ, and the fruit of the Spirit, it'll just come natural. Hey, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you guys next time right here on the vlog.